Then perfume concentration. A perfume concentration refers to the strength that a fragrance has. Perfumes with a higher fragrance concentration contain more perfume oils and less alcohol. Fragrance concentration are broken into categories including perfume, eau de perfume, eau de toilette, and eau de cologne. Perfume, which contains more than 20% of fragrance concentration. Perfumes have the highest fragrance concentration and it would last the longest amount all other types, usually 6 to 8 hours, but also perfume will demand the highest price. Then eau de perfume. After perfume, eau de perfume are just EDP as the next highest concentration of fragrance. Eau de perfume generally has a fragrance concentration of between 15 to 20% on average. Eau de perfume will last for 4 to 5 hours. It is also generally less expensive than the perfume, while it does not have a higher concentration of alcohol. It is better for sensitive skin than other type fragrance. Eau de perfume is one of the most common fragrance types and it is suitable for everyday wear. Next, eau de toilette. Eau de toilette EDT has a fragrance concentration of between 5 to 15%. It is cheaper than eau de perfume and is one of the most popular type of fragrance. Eau de toilette fragrance will normally last for 2 to 3 hours. Eau de toilette is considered by some to be for day wear while eau de perfume is considered as the night wear. The eau de toilette came from the French word faire sa toilette, which means getting ready. Then eau de cologne. Eau de cologne or EDC has a much lower concentration of fragrance than the above types. EDC generally has a 2 to 4% of concentration of fragrance and a high concentration of alcohol. It is cheaper than other type of fragrance. However, the scent generally only lasts for up to 2 hours. EDC generally became in bigger bottles and most of the fragrance need to be used. Originally, eau de cologne referred to a traditional recipe that used herbs and citrus notes with little anchoring with base notes. As we told before, the first type perfume or perfume which contains 20 to 30% of fragrance concentration and it lasts up to 6 to 8 hours, and the eau de perfume EDP which contains 15 to 20% of fragrance concentration and it lasts up to 4 to 5 hours, and eau de toilette it contains 5 to 15% of fragrance concentration and it lasts up to 2 to 3 hours, and eau de cologne which contains 2 to 4% of concentration of fragrance and is lasts up to 2 hours, and eau de fraîche which contains just 1 to 3% of fragrance concentration and is lasts up to 2 hours.